Hi. To start off, I would like to thank IKEA for this awesome opportunity, and I want to thank TKS for this opportunity too. So to start off, we're going to talk about how to improve customer experience with robotic technologies. Oh, oops. So first thing we talk about is the problem. The problem here lies under the staffing technologies and advancement. The overstaffing and turnovers in staffing would cause a lot of financial and customer experience downside for IKEA, which definitely had caused before based on examples that's going to state later. This problem had caused IKEA's reputational damage, had caused money loss during the process, and loss of customer base. Definitely for most, feedback. That is what is the most important. The solution for this, very simple. We will be adding robotic assistants to help with the employees itself. The impact, a better and more efficient operation in IKEA, and a very easy control over what's happening in the store. That's going to be applied for all 479 stores across the globe for IKEA. So, what is the problem again? The problem here is that IKEA experienced 20 to 30% employee turnover and around $1 billion spent extra on the employees. The salary, the pays every sorry, the salaries, the management fee, the benefits, the add-ons, the bonus, everything around employees has to be dealt with, and there's a huge amount of output from IKEA. And I'm not saying it's bad, but there's definitely a lot of unnecessary spending out here. And due to employee overstaffing and understaffing cases, customers would had they did had a very bad feedback and a very bad shopping experience overall. And that's why our idea for it will come out. So what does the customer really want? They want a more informational based communication. They want a more loving base too. They want more care. They want a face in front of them. That's why a robot wouldn't do it all. We still need employees, but most customers 21st centuries would love to know more information than just a smile from the employee. That's why when we introduce the robot, it's just like a regular AI chatbot, but it would have all the features that it doesn't have. What are they? They are the better recommendation. They're the more interactive screen. They're the more interesting side of the things. A robot you can interact with. More fun robot. A more family dynamic. I know IKEA is a family dynamic company. We need this kind of robot for the kids to interact with, for the family to enjoy their time. We would also put engaging content on the robot for the shoppers to have fun. This would create a hybrid workforce, employees with robot, better efficiency, better quality. Here's two research papers here to prove that. And here are some great examples that's already happening. In this big giant supermarket chain, these robots have been helping people picking up their stuff and leading them ways. Here are some experts in the field that have some suggestion and comments around it. Reliable source. Here's another one. This is our mission. What is our mission? Our mission is to cooperate customer life into employees' life, making things easier for everyone. Here's our team. Again, thank you IKEA very much for this awesome opportunity, and we wish you better. We wish you good luck in the business.